Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we will read chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is The Keyboard and its Functions. In this chapter we will learn knowing a keyboard, number keys, alphabet keys, special keys. Now let us start reading the chapter. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. Now you all know that without keyboard we cannot work on computer. It has many keys on it. As you can see in the picture, there are many keys on the keyboard, right? These keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. Now you all know that with the help of keyboard we can type letters, numbers and symbols. Now in the picture you can see number keys, alphabet keys, delete key, numeric keys, caps lock key, spacebar key, arrow keys and enter keys. Now let us learn in detail about all these keys. First is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have letters on them from A to Z. As you all know, from A to Z, keys on the keyboard are called alphabet keys. But they are not given in order. As you can see in the picture, they are not in order. They are not like in series like A, B, C, D, right? It is Q, W, E, R, T, Y. It is like this. Okay? It means the alphabet keys on the keyboard are not in order. Alphabet keys are 26 in numbers. How many alphabet keys are on the keyboard? 26. We can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. What we can type with the help of alphabet keys? We can type letters, words and sentences. Now here in your book there is an activity they have written. Type name with the help of alphabet keys. Press the keys that spell your name. You will find your name on the screen. For example, your name is Hiten. What you will type? You will type the keys HITEN. Okay? And your name will display on the computer screen. Next is number keys. Number keys have numbers on them. The keys on which numbers are printed are called number keys. They are 10 in numbers. How many number keys are there? 10. That is from 0 to 9. That is from 0 to 9. They are present above the alphabet keys and are given in order. Number keys are present above the alphabet key on the keyboard and they are in order. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the right series of number keys, right? We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. by using these keys. With the help of number keys, what we can type? We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. The number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. One more numeric keypad is on the right side of your keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. Now here one more activity is there. For example, your roll number is 10. Type your roll number. Second step, press the enter key. The cursor will move to the next line. Cursor means the small blinking line on the screen. Now type your age. So roll number also and age. Both are in numbers. So with the help of number keys, you can type your roll number and age. Next is special keys. These keys have different symbols on them, like as you can see here, all these are symbols. The keys on which these symbols are printed are called special keys. There are some more keys on the keyboard known as special keys. Now there are some more special keys. Let us learn about all those keys. First is spacebar key. As you can see here, spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Spacebar key is the longest key of the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the text. Now let us see the activity. Activity 3. Let us type a sentence. My name is Kabir. Now here you can see there is no space. Is it looking good? No, it is not looking good. Without space, a sentence is like a word, right? Now here they have said, now press the space key once between the words to give a space. Now the output, now here in the output they have given the space. My space, name space, is space, Kabir, full stop. Right? Now it is looking like a complete sentence. Okay? Next special key is caps lock key. As you can see in the picture, this is a caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type letters in capitals. If you want to write in capitals letter, big letters, then you will use caps lock key. Press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. When you will click on caps lock key, the caps lock light will turn on. It means you are able to type in capital letters. Okay? Then to use caps lock key, what you can do, type I like my school. When you will click on caps lock key and you will type, it will show you the sentence like this. All the letters of the sentence are in capital letter, right? All the letters are capital in the sentence. Press the caps lock key again. Now after typing this, again click on caps lock key. The caps lock light will turn off. Now the light will turn off. Type the sentence again and see the difference. Now type the sentence again. You will see that now the letters are coming small. Okay? It means with the help of caps lock key, you are able to type in capital letters. And if you are not using caps lock key, you are able to type in small letters. Next is enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. A keyboard has two enter keys. As you can see in the picture, type I am in class 2nd. Press the enter key once, the cursor will jump to the next line. Next is arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys that help to move the cursor on the screen. As you can see on the picture, up, down, left and right arrow keys. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left side, and right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right side. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right side. Okay, so this is the purpose of using arrow keys. When you want to move the arrow in all four direction or in a particular direction, for example, if you want to move your cursor to up, okay, you will use up arrow key. If you want to move it to right side, you will use right arrow key. Okay. Next is backspace key. The backspace key erases the letters to the left side of the cursor. As you can see in the picture, this is backspace key. Type I live in Delhi. Where is the cursor now? Now, if you type I live in Delhi, your cursor will be at last of the line. After I, your cursor will be after I. Okay. It is after the word Delhi. Okay. After the cursor will be after the word Delhi. Press the left arrow key and bring the cursor after the in. Now here in the line the spelling of in are wrong, right? So we want to delete second n. So what we will do? We will use the left arrow key and we will bring the cursor to before D so that we can erase second n. Then we will press backspace key to erase second n. Now the spelling of in will become IN. So this way we will use backspace key. Next is delete key. The delete key erases the letters to the right side. Backspace key erases the letters to right side from the back. Delete key erases the letters to right side. Okay. Now for they have explained an activity. Type I like to eat mangoes. Now here the spelling of mangoes are wrong. We want to erase second G. To delete the letter G in the sentence, move the cursor using the left arrow key to the left of the letter G. Using left arrow key, we will move the cursor to left of the G. Then we will press delete key and the G will be removed. Now this way we will use delete key. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.